Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you and explain to you the phase 5 of the design thinking methodology, which is test or testing. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this stage is a stage of testing and improvement. It got the following characteristic. It is the fifth stage or phase of the design thinking methodology. It aims to check models developed in the previous phase and look at which models work or which ones do not. This phase aims to select the best prototypes of products, services, or business models to be implemented in the last stage of the process. The verification phase allows to analyze the response of the users to different alternatives, develop and select the most appropriate for the need that is being worked on. It's very important to watch the previous videos. What is design thinking? The phase 1, which is empathy, the stage 2, which is define, the stage 3, which is ideate, and the stage 4, which is prototype. Because you will know how is everything developed and you know what do you have to know before you get here. The most important tools for this stage are user journey, user experience map, and usability prototype. However, we got more than 30 tools that can allow you to test all the prototypes and all the developments that you are doing. All of these videos are in the channel. Okay, so when we are talking about the stage 5, it's very important to know that here you are gonna validate. You are gonna see if the things that you have been working out they really work or not. It's very important to know that here the focus is to improve whatever you're doing. So the idea here is that you can choose the best option, that the option that you choose can improve or fix the need that you are working on. And if it's necessary, you have to test as many times as is needed. Otherwise, you don't know if the prototype or the development that you are making is really working. So if you have to test your prototype or your development 5, 10, 100 times, it doesn't matter. What is important here is that when you finish, you can choose the best option. It's very important that the option that you choose is focused on experience. Remember that the experience is what develop an attachment from the user to the development. As I was telling you before, the tools that we use for this situation are different, but the most common uses here are user journey, user experience map, and usability prototype. And in my personal case, I really like user experience map because this allowed to think in the different options and how can the user will receive the development. That one is very important. But for example, the usability prototype is also really good because you need to know the quality of your development. So the interaction with the user, it's very important to validate the development that you are making. But it's very important to know that if you want to test, you have more than 30 tools that allow you to test your development. Always remember that the development that you are making will improve the life of the user. It will be focused on their needs and it got the possibility to apply in the situation that you have been working on. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the fifth stage of the project with the design thinking methodology, it will be selected a prototype of a product, service, or of business model to be implemented in the last stage of the process. The selected prototype must improve the need that is being worked on, must have an optional interaction with the user and recognize all this cultural and constant background and variables. The key in the development of this phase is the user experience and the interaction that the user develop with the product, service, or business model. Our next video will be the design thinking stage 6, which is implement, and that will be the last for this part of the explaining the design thinking methodology. Thank you very much. I hope this video will be a big help in the development that you are making. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Over there we have new developments of graphic design every day. Thank you very much to put us in the #1 spot of the Design Thinking channel in YouTube. We are the #1. Every Monday we got a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we got a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.